Is it time to buy or sell Nano Nuclear Energy stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nano Nuclear Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has classified Nano Nuclear Energy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 38.32% since we initially recommended purchasing Nano Nuclear Energy just 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 9.58% per day, since it was marked as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's potential direction, as it could swing in either way. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the recently broken trend, which stands at $40.39. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $59.03 could serve as the next potential peak, creating a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 33.7% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 34.68% to positive 21.31%. Our latest daily update for Nano Nuclear Energy includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $41.55 and $48.05. The Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated stock price gained 4.14% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, rising from $42.74 to $44.51. It has now gained for 8 consecutive days. It is not common for stocks to achieve such a streak, so a decline for a day or two should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.64%, ranging from a low of $41.55 to a high of $48.05. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and has risen by 65.83% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, resulting in a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $534,520,000. It is important to consider that decreasing volume during rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential shifts in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $48.05, while the lowest price was $3.25. Currently, the price stands 7.37%, or $3.54, below the 52-week high of $48.05, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated, which trades under the symbol NNE, are shaping a dynamic landscape for both short and long-term investors. Today, Kuhn Law has initiated an investigation into potential fiduciary breaches by NNE's executives, alleging misrepresentation of the company's progress toward regulatory approval for its microreactors. This legal scrutiny could lead to investor uncertainty, potentially impacting NNE's stock price negatively in the immediate term, as market reactions often respond sensitively to such news. On a more positive note, earlier reports highlighted NNE's acquisition of a key patent portfolio for its modular transportable nuclear reactors, including the Zeus and Odin models. The new trade name Loki MMR has been introduced for the recently acquired Pylon transportable reactor platform, signaling a strategic focus on innovation and market positioning. Such advancements may bolster investor confidence in the company's long-term growth prospects. Moreover, a recent surge in energy demand, noted by the United States Energy Information Administration, positions the nuclear sector, including NNE, favorably for future growth, making it a potentially lucrative investment in a market seeking clean energy solutions. As NNE navigates legal challenges and capitalizes on innovation, its stock performance will likely reflect the balance between these immediate risks and long-term opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned NNE a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 25th of June, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark also gave NNE a buy rating, but with a hold action. On Friday, the 14th of June, 2024, Benchmark once again assigned NNE a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Nano Nuclear Energy stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nano Nuclear Energy. The stock of Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. presents buy signals derived from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels can be found at $32.41 and $27.06. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and the stock has since appreciated by 118.29%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. It is noteworthy that trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of this stock is recommended. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 78 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nano Nuclear Energy. Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $42.74. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily movement or volatility, and with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.50, or 15.64%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 20.08%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could rise swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Nano Nuclear Energy faces its first support level at $42.74. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an excellent entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.16, representing a decline of 3.04%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in significant risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Nano Nuclear Energy stock a good buy? Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the fluctuations and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, January 27th, we anticipate that Nano Nuclear Energy will open at approximately 193 cents and begin trading around $44.70. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.